You may already know the rule for dividing by a fraction, but have you ever wondered where it actually comes from? As a teacher, I found that rules are easy to forget. But once you understand the math behind the rule, it becomes much easier to remember. Let's use this challenge to figure it out. What would make this division as simple as possible? In our calculation, the divisor is 3/2, or 3/2. The other number, 6, is called the dividend. This division would be much easier if the divisor were 1. We need a factor that, when multiplied by 3/2, gives 1. That factor is 2/3. It's called the reciprocal of 3/2. But there's a problem. If we multiply only the divisor by 2/3, the result changes. So how can we change the divisor without changing the result? We'll use an important property of division. Here's a simple example. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Now we multiply both numbers by 10. 80 divided by 40 also equals 2. If you multiply both the dividend and the divisor by the same non-zero number, the result doesn't change. So, just like we multiplied both 8 and 4 by 10, we'll multiply both 6 and 3/2 by 2/3. Now we can replace the divisor by 1, so we have 6 times 2/3 divided by 1. And dividing by 1 doesn't change anything. So we're left with 6 times 2/3. In general, dividing by a fraction is the same as multiplying by its reciprocal. You may know the memory trick: keep, change, flip. Now let's use this to solve our challenge. 6 divided by 3/2 equals 6 times 2/3. Now we simplify by dividing 6 and 3 by 3. That leaves 2 times 2, which equals 4. Now you don't just know the rule for dividing by a fraction, you understand the math behind it. So, let's see if you can apply this idea. Can you beat the lightning?